Today, I want to answer one of the most common dropshipping questions, something that will completely change the finances and structure of your dropshipping business. That question is, should you file an LLC for your dropshipping store? My name's Alex, let's get started. I have a basic 3-point checklist to answer this question in simple terms, but everyone's situation is different, so there's really no one-size-fits-all approach. Obviously, you want to consult with the licensed attorney before making any legal decisions, but let's talk about 3 reasons you might want to file an LLC for your dropshipping store today. Reason number 1, you make enough to pay taxes. Now, the thresholds are different in every location, so consult with your local government, but in most cases, if you guys make over 200 orders or $100,000 in revenue, you have to pay taxes on this. Now, that's $100,000 in revenue in 1 calendar year. But at this point, when you meet that threshold, Shopify, PayPal, and whatever institutions you use will send you a 1099 that you guys need to file on your tax return. At the same time, you guys must file for a sales tax permit with your local government in whichever state you live in. Now, having an LLC makes filing your taxes that much easier, but there's a lot more that goes into this than what we're discussing right now. Consider talking to a CPA or a certified public accountant on these tax issues, or somebody that can actually give you legal advice, as I cannot do so. Reason number 2, you guys need access to business credit cards and business lines of credit. Business credit lines often require a registered LLC as well as an EIN or employee identification number. But once you have all of this set up, they're very easy to acquire and they build credit with your business long term. Now, based on your payment history and credit age, you guys will also get monthly limit increases over time, allowing you to spend more money on your business each month. On top of that, there are a ton of cashback credit cards available to you with crazy cashback incentives. So this means you guys can spend it regularly like you would on your business, but when you pay it back each month, you guys get a hefty amount in cashback that you guys can reinvest in your business, throw in stocks, or do whatever with. And the third and final reason on the checklist, if you guys hold inventory, you guys should really consider filing an LLC right now. Holding inventory is literally a business investment that gets written off on your taxes, and like I've mentioned countless times, filing an LLC makes doing your taxes that much easier and makes the structure so much better. Now, another reason along these aspects is if you guys make enough sales to actually want the limited liability aspect on your business. In simple terms, this helps your business out in the event of a lawsuit in case you guys have any angry customers down the road, but it also keeps your own personal assets separate from your business assets. So this really does protect you and save you from unexpected financial hardships in the event of any lawsuits. I hope structuring your business makes a little more sense after watching this video. If this video helped you out, consider leaving a like, sharing, and subscribing for more. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below for you guys to check out. Feel free to do so. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.